Is it safe to charge the Quest 2 while playing for long periods of time?
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we'll be tackling a question many of you have been asking. Is it safe to charge your Oculus Quest 2 while playing for long periods of time? With the rising popularity of virtual reality gaming and the significant place the Quest 2 holds in this domain, it's crucial to understand the best practices for using and maintaining your device.
Understanding the Oculus Quest 2's battery.
The Oculus Quest 2 is designed with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, known for their high energy density and long lifespans. Charging while playing is indeed possible due to the Quest 2's pass-through power capabilities. However, there are certain factors to consider in terms of safety and the longevity of the device.
The impact of simultaneous charging and playing.
When you use your Oculus Quest 2 while it's charging, the device might heat up more than usual due to the added load of charging and running VR applications simultaneously. While the Quest 2 is built to withstand some level of heat, excessive and prolonged heat can degrade the battery over time and potentially damage the device's internal components. So, is it unsafe? Not immediately, but it could potentially shorten your device's lifespan. The key is moderation and monitoring. If your device becomes overly warm, give it a rest.
Best practices for charging and playing.
Here are a few best practices to follow to ensure safety and longevity of your device. 1. Avoid using non-official chargers. Oculus recommends using the charger that came with your device. Third-party chargers may not meet the same safety standards and could harm your device. 2. Moderate your usage. If you notice your device getting overly warm while charging and playing, it's best to let it rest and cool down. 3. Ensure good ventilation. Using the device in a well-ventilated area can help keep the heat down. In summary, while it's technically possible and not immediately harmful to charge your Oculus Quest 2 while playing, it's best to do so with caution to avoid potential long-term damage due to heat buildup. Use the original charger, monitor the device's temperature, and make sure to take breaks when necessary. As always, enjoying your VR gaming in a safe and responsible manner is the way to go. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing your questions and concerns. Until next time, stay safe and happy gaming.